So the question number 45 of this series IIT JEM MS 2026 PYQ solution. So the question is, we have x, that is continuous random variable with mean 2 and variance as 4, और हमें चेबीशेव्स इनइक्वालिटी का यूज़ करना है और ये लोअर बाउंड निकालना है इस प्रॉबिलिटी का. तो चेबीशेव्स इनइक्वालिटी क्या होता है वो हम देख लेते हैं. तो दिस चेबीशेव्स inequality is basically probability of mod x minus mu of x less than, that is k sigma is greater than or equal to 1 minus variance of x by k square sigma square. Take variance of x as sigma square, you will get here as 1 minus 1 by k square. Using this हमें इसका लोअर बाउंड निकालना है. सो नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ -4 लेस देन x लेस देन 8. अब एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x क्या है, दैट इज गिवन एज 2. सो नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ -2 कर देते हैं, -2 कर देते हैं, -2 कर देते हैं, विल गेट एज -6 लेस देन x -2 लेस देन 8 minus 2 would be, that is 6. So here we'll get as 6. That is probability of mod x minus 2 less than 6. And on comparing with this Chebyshev's inequality, we can write it as greater than or equal to 1 minus variance of x divided by, that is this quantity, that means 36. that is nothing but 1 minus, अब variance of x क्या दिया हुआ है 4, तो हम यहाँ 4 लिख सकते हैं, divided by 36 we'll get 1 minus 1 by 9, that is 8 by 9, that means 0.66 or something, 0.88. So the answer is 0.88.